Welcome to your debate channel, English Vedas. The debate over whether AI can replace teachers takes us into a new realm of discussion. Some argue that artificial intelligence, AI, identifies how a student learns best and adapts to the teaching styles in real time. But others are of the notion that AI cannot replace teachers. Let us look at the points. For AI can replace teachers. 1. AI identifies how a student learns best. AI can adjust to the student's learning speed. It will not force a student to keep pace with the syllabus. AI doesn't make a student afraid to ask questions. 2. AI can adapt the teaching styles in real time. Every student has his or her own learning speed. Some students learn best with images and diagrams. Some learn easily by listening, while others need hands-on engagement. It gives personalized learning to every student. 3. AI provides instant feedback without judgment. AI is programmed to adapt to students' mistakes. It doesn't punish a student. It provides real-time feedback to a student. The student is not scared to fail. 4. AI also tracks the long-term learning growth of the student. It makes learning experimental. It teaches students real-world problem solving and provides interactive simulations. This makes the students rediscover the joy of learning. 5. It removes fear of failure and replaces it with curiosity. When fear is removed from education, students rediscover the joy of learning. It provides an adaptive environment for the student. It does not have a one-size-fits-all concept of teaching. 5 points against AI can replace teachers. 1. Emotional connection. A teacher understands the emotions and struggles of a student. An AI cannot replicate the emotions of a real teacher. Many students struggle to learn online. They prefer a real teacher who can teach and guide them. 2. Moral and value education. Teachers impart moral values to students. They teach students honesty, loyalty, respect, humility, kindness, discipline, and empathy. These values are taught not only for academic knowledge, but also to prepare learners for the challenges of life. 3. Personal guidance. A teacher can act as a supportive mentor, listen to students, set clear goals, and model positive behavior for students. Many students consider teachers their role models. One-on-one teaching can help them learn difficult subjects. 4. Inspiration and mentorship. AI cannot replace the human impact of a teacher. A teacher is a mentor for students. Students look up to their teachers when they face any difficulty in understanding any topic. A teacher helps the students to be a better version of themselves. Classroom management. Teachers handle discipline, teamwork, and social interaction among students. AI cannot manage an entire class. A teacher greets the students and builds a strong student-teacher bond. Overall, AI cannot replace teachers totally. It can become an asset in the learning journey of students. If children become too dependent on AI, then this could stifle their mental growth. A teacher can be an inspiration and a role model for students, but an AI can just assist a student in learning.